Hi friends, my name is Shreya Chingade. I am from Standard 8th. Today I am going to talk about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched from Sriharikota on 14th July 2023. The spacecraft entered lunar orbit on 5 August and the lander touched down at the lunar south pole on 23rd August 2023. The total mass of Chandrayaan 3 was approximately 3900 kg. I feel so proud that our India is the first country in the world who touched down, who landed softly on the south pole of the moon. Now I will talk about my model. I use cardboard, paper, glue, injection for making this model. And when we push this injection, it goes up. And when we pull this injection, it comes down. This Chandrayaan goes up and down because of water pressure. Thank you.